Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring plants to avoid if you have pets at home. We will also be discussing the best alternative for each. While plants can brighten up our spaces and improve air quality, some can be harmful or even deadly to our furry friends. It's essential to be aware of which plants can pose risks to our pets, especially if they are curious and love to explore their surroundings. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. So let's get started. First up, we have lilies. These beautiful flowers are highly toxic to cats, and even a small amount ingested can lead to severe kidney failure. Symptoms of lily poisoning in cats can include vomiting, lethargy, and loss of appetite. The severity of the reaction can vary, but it can be life-threatening if not treated promptly. If you have a cat, it's best to keep lilies out of your home entirely. A great alternative is roses, which are safe for pets and can add a lovely touch to your garden. Roses not only provide beautiful blooms, but are also non-toxic to both dogs and cats, allowing you to enjoy their beauty without the worry of harming your pets. At number 2, we have rhododendrons. Rhododendrons contain grayonotoxins that can lead to vomiting, diarrhea, and potentially fatal heart problems in pets. Symptoms can appear within hours of ingestion, making it crucial to keep these plants out of reach. A pet-safe alternative would be Coreopsis. Coreopsis, or tick seed, is a vibrant flowering plant that is safe for pets and attracts beneficial pollinators. Its bright blooms can enhance your garden while ensuring your pets remain safe. Coming in at number 3 is Oleander. While it may look beautiful, all parts of this plant are toxic and can cause severe heart issues in both dogs and cats. Ingestion can lead to symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, and abnormal heart rhythms. The risk is especially high for curious pets who might chew on the leaves or flowers. If you want a colorful alternative, try petunias, which are safe for pets and come in a variety of vibrant colors. Petunias not only brighten up your garden, but also pose no risk to your furry friends, allowing you to enjoy their beauty worry-free. At number 4, we have Azaleas. These flowering shrubs contain grayonotoxins, which can lead to vomiting, diarrhea, and potentially fatal heart problems in both dogs and cats. Symptoms can appear within hours of ingestion, making it crucial to keep these plants out of reach. A pet-safe alternative would be Hibiscus, which offers beautiful blooms and is safe for both dogs and cats. Hibiscus plants are not only stunning but also provide a safe environment for your pets to explore without the risk of poisoning. Fifth on our list is Pothos, a popular houseplant that contains calcium oxalate crystals. These crystals can cause oral irritation and digestive upset in both dogs and cats, leading to symptoms such as drooling, vomiting, and difficulty swallowing. Instead, consider spider plants, which are non-toxic and easy to care for. Spider plants provide a similar aesthetic with their lush green leaves and are safe for pets, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of plants without the worry of toxicity. For number 6, we have Philodendron. This is a popular houseplant known for its attractive leaves, but it contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause oral irritation and digestive upset in both dogs and cats. Symptoms of ingestion may include drooling, vomiting, and difficulty swallowing. Instead, consider the rubber plant. Rubber plants are non-toxic to pets and feature large, glossy leaves that can enhance the aesthetic of any room. They are also relatively easy to care for, requiring moderate light and infrequent watering, making them a great choice for pet owners who want a beautiful and safe indoor environment. 7th on our list is Foxglove. This stunning plant contains compounds that can lead to serious heart problems if ingested. Symptoms of foxglove poisoning can include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and irregular heartbeats, affecting both dogs and cats. Instead, opt for Snapdragons, which are beautiful and safe for your furry friends. Snapdragons not only provide a lovely pop of color, but are also non-toxic, allowing your pets to roam freely in your garden. Coming in at number 8 is the Chrysanthemum. These flowers contain pyrethrins, which can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and excessive salivation in pets. Dogs and cats that ingest chrysanthemums may experience gastrointestinal upset, and while the effects are generally not life-threatening, they can cause significant discomfort. A great alternative is marigolds, which are safe for pets and can add a pop of color to your garden. Marigolds are known for their pest-repelling properties and are non-toxic, making them an excellent choice for pet-friendly gardens. At number 9, we have Wisteria. This plant is known for its beautiful cascading flowers, but it contains glycosides that can be toxic to pets. Ingesting the seeds or pods can lead to vomiting, diarrhea, and lethargy. A great alternative is climbing roses, which are safe for pets and provide stunning blooms. Climbing roses not only add beauty to your garden, but also pose no risk to your furry friends, allowing you to enjoy their fragrance and color without worry. Finally, we have aloe vera. While it's known for its healing properties for humans, it can cause digestive upset in pets, leading to symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. Dogs and cats that ingest large quantities may experience more severe symptoms. A safe alternative would be bamboo, which is non-toxic and can still add a touch of greenery to your home. Bamboo is not only safe for pets, but also adds a unique aesthetic to your space, allowing you to enjoy plants without the worry of toxicity. Thanks for joining us as we discuss the plants that you should avoid if you have pets at home and their best alternatives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!